Alright, so guys, after a very promising start selling Nokia branded smartphones with respectable hardware, excellent software support, and competitive price points a few years back, HMD Global seems to have hit a bit of a speed bump on its road to the upper rank of the mobile industry. While it's obviously not entirely clear why the Finland-based outfit is struggling to improve its global shipment numbers at a time many consumers are undoubtedly returning their attention to budget-friendly mid-rangers. The absence of an exciting high-end model from the current Nokia lineup is definitely making it difficult to take HMD seriously in the fight against Samsung, Apple, Huawei, Xiaomi, and even OnePlus. After the complete Nokia 9 Pureview fiasco, the company decided to take its time preparing and refining the next flagship handset, which might ultimately prove the right call in the current economic climate. We certainly don't need another boring and overpriced Snapdragon 865 device ticking the same boxes as the Galaxy S20 Plus or S20 Ultra. And although HMD is unlikely to revive the Lumia design language, the Nokia 9.3 PureView 5G is shaping up like an absolute beast with a whole bunch of special tricks up its sleeve. One of those tricks could be 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. Of course, the technology is not for everyone right now, considering the storage problem and the 8K TV prices problem. But who doesn't love a future-proofed smartphone, especially one with an under-screen front-facing camera, a 120Hz display, a 5-lens rear-facing imaging setup including a 108-megapixel ultra-wide-angle shooter, and a 64-megapixel primary camera, and of course 5G connectivity as standard. Either way, thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next ones. Peace out.